Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a script in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you want to add your custom code on or script on. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add my script on this website, it's simple. My bad. If your script is, for example, a verification script that should be inserted, that should go into the head section, it's simple. Let's copy this code, go back to your website builder, click on more, and select integrations, click on custom code, then add your code here. As you see, paste the snippet of code provided by the tool or service above, and it will be injected into the head section of your website. Usually those codes does not turn to something that we see with our eyes. Usually they are just for site verification. After that, click on save, and don't forget to update your website from here or from this corner. Now, if I go to Google Search Console and I hit verify, where is it? Verify. And just like that, my verification script was inserted successfully into the header section. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now let's see how to add a script into my website, but in the body section. For this step, I will go with this script from Common Ninja website. It's a script of a calendar that shows a calendar in my website. Let's copy the code just like that. Go back to Hostinger website builder, close this. And now I will create a blank section. And here I will click on this plus icon or elements, and scroll down to the embed code element. Drag and drop it like that. Click on enter code, delete this default code, and paste your script code here. Click on embed code, and you will see your script will show up. Now, don't forget to update your website from this corner. And let's view my website live. And this says how to add a script in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.